In this video, I'm about to show you how to add it on Triller. First, launch the Triller app on your device. Then tap the plus button to start a new video project. Now tap on the music icon to add a song from Triller's library. If you want to use a song from your personal collection, tap on the upload music option. Now go to your device's music library, find the song you want to use and share it with Triller. You can do this by opening the song, tapping the share icon and selecting Triller from the sharing options. Once the song is uploaded, you can adjust the starts and end points to fit your video. Start recording your video with the music playing in the background. Use the editing tools to trim, cut, and rearrange clips. You can also add filters, speed adjustments, and other effects to enhance your video. After editing, review your video to ensure everything looks good. Once you are satisfied, tap next to proceed. Then choose a title, description, and text for your video. Set your privacy and location option, then tap pause to share your video on Triller and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.